Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So after a very long time, the massive jump is coming soon now. So it's a great news for all Dogecoin holder, because you know, my brother, in a previous days, every cryptocurrency is very badly fails down like a Dogecoin. You can see this time it's on the screen, so it's very badly fails down. But this time you can see, my brother, minus 4 plus 4.04%. The price is increased now. It's a great news, or really great news for all Dogecoin holder, and it's a massive jump, my friends. You know, in upcoming time, I am 100% sure to at the end of month they will give you a very good profit now. So let's see, my brother. But kindly holders, this is very good for all of you to use. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest news and update. Every channel will guide you. Every channel will update you. But just and only you need to subscribe this channel. Alright, my friends, come to this brand video. My friend, I'm going to show you the last 3 days chart, and in this 3 days chart, my friend, you better understand to really can in the future there is a chance so they will give you a profit or not, my brother. So as you can see, my brother, they cannot show you, but my friends, you can see here this time, just a minute, my brother. Yes, this time you can see the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and change occur. You can see here minus 12.93% fails down from last 3 days. So it's a very bad news, but this is reality, my friends. You can see here this time the chart result. If I predicate this coins exactly, my friend, you understand to an upcoming time can there is a chance so they will give you a profit or not, my brother. So my brother, if you can see, my the arrows at the end, arrows, my friend, absolutely moving up and now. So it's mean, my brother, to upcoming time there's more chances they will give you a profit now, and they will go in the moon now. Yeah, so really, my friends, after this prediction, I understand, my brothers, to upcoming time Dogecoin will give me a good profit now. So I am going to hold it, don't sell it. Please, my opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the good time. I hope the price will be double now, just in only at the end of month. So if you are invest for a short time, then definitely this coin is very good from you, but not good for a long time investor. So don't invest for a long time, just in only invest for a short time. I hope they will give you a very good profit now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.